was Airwrap, the Jedi, this one, the Jedi side by side. So it's Airwrap, the Jedi, then the other Airwrap, then the Jedi, then the Airwrap, then the Jedi, then the other Airwrap, then the Jedi. I'm not sure if your up stalls and down stalls have this combination yet. Right, so same concept, only instead of doing the crossover, what we're going to do is stack them. So the idea is they're coming to the same point in the center, then one goes up and one goes down. So from an infinite combo perspective, you could just skip doing the Airwrap itself and just do this, right, where you're stack, do better than that, stack, stack, well, I maybe could, but only sometimes, is the spiral, right? So you can spiral, stall, stall, Airwrap, spiral, stall, stall. Nope, that was supposed to be an Airwrap. Airwrap. Then spiral, stall, stall, Airwrap. Wait, Airwrap, Travolta, Airwrap, Travolta. There we go. That's without the pinwheel. I'm consistent on this fucking side. Or I'm consistently inconsistent, maybe is the way to say that.